So children, today we'll be doing Roman numbers. And I'll be starting with what you already know. How do you write 5 on your notebooks? Class 5 on your notebook. How we were writing in our previous class? 4, 1 and V. Class 3, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1 and 1 was written like this. Then your next class also I'm sure you must be knowing how it is written. V and 1, 7 is written as V11, 8 is written as V111, 9 is written as 1x and 10 is written as x. Now first of all we'll study the symbols from 1 to 10. For writing 1 you can say I is used. 2 lines are used for writing 2. For writing 3 we are using 1, 2 and 3 lines. But for writing 4 and 5 we have used some other symbol. So rule 1 says Roman number cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Because of this rule, we have to look for another symbol for 4. But we have been very smart. We did not look for a separate symbol for 4. We thought of a symbol for 5 and wrote 4 in terms of 5. We wrote 1 on left of V and it meant 5 minus 1 equal to 4. And when we have written 1 on right side of V, it means 5 plus 1, 6. So, rule number 2 says, when a smaller number is written on the left of a bigger number, it means subtraction. It means subtraction. And when a smaller number is written on the right of a bigger number, it means addition. It means addition. Simple. Now, 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 3, 8. Again, 1 is repeated 3 times. So, it has reached its maximum limit. That is why we had to look for another symbol for 10. So, we did not think of a symbol for 9. We thought for 10. And we wrote 1 on the left of 10, which meant 9. And when 1 is written on the right of 10, it becomes 11. So, now here how many new symbols have been used? 1, 2 and 3. And using these 3 symbols, we will be writing the counting up to 39. Up to 39, no new symbol will be used. Now let's see how we write 11. 11 means 10 and 1. 12 means 10 and 2. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, if you see that this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10, they are same as the first line. What have we done? We have only put x in front of the complete first line. And in the end, 20 means 10 plus 10. Therefore, 2x have been written. Now, 20 plus 1, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30 means 3 times 10. 10, 10, 10. And here it has reached its maximum limit. Now, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and then 40. Now, 4 is dependent on 5. Similarly, 40 is also dependent on 50. Here, we look for another symbol for 50, which is L, and we will write 40 in terms of 50. Now, how much minus 50 gives 40? 10. So, simply 10 has to be written on the left of L to make it 40. Now, let's first write how many symbols have we used in total. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you will be surprised that if we are to write counting up to 100, we need only one more symbol. Let's see. 41 XL, 40 plus 1, 40 plus 2, 40 plus 3, 40 plus 4, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and then 50. Now how do we write 60? 50 plus 10. So L, X, 70, L, X, X. 50 plus 20, 80, 50 plus 30. Here it has reached maximum number of times it can be repeated. Now, 9 is dependent on 10. Similarly, 90 is also dependent on 100. We look for a new symbol for 100. 100 minus 10 gives us 90. And 10 on the left means it should be subtracted. So a new symbol for 100, 200, 2 times 100, 300, 3 times C, 400. Now here we know 4 is dependent on 5. 40 was dependent on 50. Similarly, 400 is also dependent on 500. So, 500, we take a new symbol D. And 400 is 100, 500 minus 100. So, which is C and D. C is 100, C on the left of D becomes 400. Now, very simple I believe. If we are to write counting up to 1000, only one more symbol is required. And that is for 1000. M. So here we'll add an other symbol. How many symbols in total for writing up to 1000? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 symbols only. Now few symbols cannot be repeated and subtracted. Let us look for those symbols now. 5 plus 5 becomes 10, but for 10 we have used another symbol. It means we cannot be repeated. Then 50 plus 50 gives 100, but we have used another symbol for 100. It means L cannot be repeated. 500 plus 500 makes 1000, but here we have used another symbol for 1000. It means D cannot be repeated. So, now you can try writing counting up to 100.